You ever try to carry a full cup of water with a tiny crack in the side? Probably not, but imagine that you did. At first, it feels like you've got it. But by the time you sit down and get to your room and you try to drink it, it's almost gone. It didn't spill all at once, it leaked slowly, quietly, until there was nothing left to show for it. That's what happens when you manifest something big. A relationship, some extra money, some success. But your inner world hasn't healed, still has a crack. It's not because you're broken either, but it's because a part of you still doesn't feel safe keeping what you've asked for. It's not the receiving that's hard, it's the holding it. You almost had it all because the energy was right, but your identity wasn't fully ready to handle that new level. You talked yourself down. You second-guessed the signs. You pushed it away in the most subtle, logical, and protective ways. But here's the shift. Your cup isn't shattered. It just needs more sealing or a new cup. You don't have to earn safety. You have to build it through self-trust, through watching your thoughts without becoming them. It's so important. Through speaking from the version of you who knows it's safe to have and keep it all. So the next time your blessing shows up, or almost shows up, or you feel like it's gonna show up, don't shrink, don't question it, don't leak, just hold and let it come in. Comment down below, I can hold it all now, and like the video if you'd be so kind, and catch you when we align once again. Thank you for watching.